Hi my friends, it's very hot outside. I can't tell you how warm it is now. It's a good day for a drink, and this is what this video is about, making a drink GIF. Anyway, we're bringing out our first graphic, and I'm just going to keep it here, and I need to scroll it down. It's just way too big, and this looks about right. Make sure it's lined up perfectly on the grid. Next thing I'm going to do is bring out our text. Very easy to do that. Let's find our text. Cheers. Whenever you're having drinks with friends, it's always good to say cheers. And you can see that's just too big. I'm just going to scroll it down a little bit and make sure it fits in between these two lines. Want to make sure it's perfectly done. And that looks good enough to me. Need to make a copy of this drink. Hold down Control, drag it across, and line it up perfectly on the other side using the grid. Reverse flip it, and then we're ready to start animating. Now I want to make sure this is perfect. Want to make sure this is also hidden. I'll bring it out later. And now let's get to work on our animation. First thing I want to do is move this up to 45 keyframes. And I'm going to just bring it up here like this. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'm going to make sure they're touching the line. Just make sure. Maybe I'll just move it up like this. That looks better. So you need to repeat the same thing to the other side as well. So just grab it and move it up here. And they're touching. They look great. That's really good. Perfect. Maybe this one needs to go up a little bit more. And there we have it. Looks good. Now I'm going to go up to 90 keyframes and repeat the same step. I'm going to move them back to their original spots down here. There we go. And down here as well. While I'm here, I'm going to go into our timeline. I'm going to click our text, cheers, unhide it. And then it's important to give it some animation. Click on the animation, scroll down with my mouse, go to elastic motions. I have custom ones that I made, and just quickly flash one. And then we're finished. Now this finished at 179. I'm going to even it by 180. So just press 180. And then I want to go here and make sure it's the same here. I'm checking things while I'm doing this. And we're finished. This looks really good graphic. Okay, now I'm going to want to export this. I'm going to go up into my export here. And I want it to be a GIF file. Go down to GIF here. And it says it's ratio locked 259. Looks good. And I'm just going to quickly go down to the export here. I'm going to click super sampling, and I'm going to put it on my desktop and call it cheers. And then it's going to start saving it to my desktop. Now we'll see how long this takes. Probably ask me if I want to open it. It takes a few minutes to process. That was very fast, and there you can see it's finished. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. This was nice and easy to do, and I will share this with you. I will leave you a way to get this file. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe. And remember, stay cool and have lots of drinks, and most importantly, cheers!